Baby girl, walk over towards me so I can get you on video camera. What you got there?
An umbrella.
Who gave that to you?
Santa.
No, Grandma Girl did.
Grandma Girl did.
You look so cute in that. Back up so I can see you in your boots. Do you have any songs? Well, watch out for the scooter behind you. Stop. Hey, honey, do you have any songs about the rain?
Yeah.
Tell me one.
Whenever the wind starts to blow in the sky, I sing a little song and here it goes. I'm in your chest, oh my God. I sing a little song in the wind. I like to play so much with my umbrella. I do the big nothing. Then I go, I swing the smile. And when I go, I swing the smile. When I have the rain in the dark, I can go anywhere. I can go anywhere on my bike when I have my umbrella and I stay cozy. Then I'll put on all my clothes.
Come here.
Then I
Keep singing.
Then when I go around the day, that's how my song goes, and that's how the choir goes.
Good job. Did you make that up all by yourself?
Yeah.
You are a beautiful singer and songwriter.
And they
Thank you. I love you. Can you say love you? Blow me a kiss.
love you.